Okay, so in this video, I I will tell you how we will add a gun to our player and how we can shoot by using that gun. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, let's go to our player. Let's rename this to the player. Now change its size to, change its shape to anything like capsule. Capsule is good. Now we have a child camera in this. Now we will add a 3D object, which is a gun, which we will attach with this player so that we will able to move with the gun and this player. So let's download the 3D object. I don't know how will it look. Let's download this and we will see. So we have to download OBJ file. Okay, so it's downloaded. Now we want gun, a gun object. So let's search for gun. And these are cool guns. You can download anything. You can download this pistol. You can download this sniper. But let's add an AR like this AK-47 rifle. So let's download this. Download the 3D model of this gun. I have already downloaded. So let's go here in the downloads. Control X. I have downloaded here. But I can't find that. So we have pasted that hands object. So let's compress here or extract here. Now let's add this gun to our player. Okay, when we import our car, the size of car was big, and same for this AK-47. So let's 0.001, again 0.001, 0.001. Okay, now hit F. Select this AK. No, I have typed here F. Okay, so select this and hit F. So we have this AK-47 here. Let's move this and make the child of camera. We are making AK-47 as a child of camera because whenever we are moving our player, our camera is also moving, and so that we also want to move our gun. Okay, so let's move this gun wherever you want. Like we want this gun here in place here. Okay, so what we will do, little down, and there we have this gun. But the rotation is not good, so let's rotate this gun in the direction we want. We want to rotate in this direction. You have to play with this if you want to rotate and do everything with the gun. Like now it's rotating, and think that's good. Okay, so let's increase its size. It's too small. You can more increase the size, but now I'm placing this for 0.15 and move this here a little up. Okay, so I think we have this gun attached to our player, but it is colorless, so let's add some color to our gun. So let's go to the material folder, add a new material, name this material to gun, drag this to our gun. Where is our gun? So let's drag this to our gun. Now let's change its color to something like brown or red. Okay, so that's look good. Now make this extended black and make it more metallic. It will look good. You can make it more smooth. So now it's looking so awesome.